What's up, my people? How una dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. So today for this particular video, you get one update like that where I want to review for this particular video. This update now update way I don't dey use am for some time now. I think for 2 months now or 2 months plus. I be 3 months safe now. If you dey see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. If you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure say you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel so that anytime when I drop new update or anytime when I drop new video, YouTube go notify you say another video don't land. You understand? And I beg make you know say this one no be tutorial I can do. Now review where I can to can do. Make you know say me I no be financial advisor. This one no be financial advice. Me they just share my opinion. You understand? So if I use updates and the updates makes more sense or I see one or two things where I no can like I go just come here can share my opinion, talk about that, make we see whether in the okay, happy, no the okay. The update I want to talk about today, they call them Coinpace. Coinpace now one update like that will come out, and today I want you can talk about them. So today I go talk about what Coinpace they all about. We go talk about their earning methods. We go talk about their earning potential, and we go talk about their pros and cons. And I go drop my ratings so that we go know if this one makes sense. Abi makes sense. All right, so Coinpace now one platform like that we come account talk say if you use their platform, make it they do some kind things like that, make it they collect. You understand? They then get different methods where they talk say if you use they collect for their platform. Number one, they get gaming where they talk say if they play their games, make it they collect, and then get trading. They say if they trade Bitcoin and connect their Bitcoin price directly to Binance Bitcoin price, then they trade Bitcoin price. And thus if they trade Bitcoin, say make you they collect small thing for yourself. Now it gets some kind of things with me I don't notice about the platform. We will talk about that one later. And then get different events like referral contest and the rest where they say if they join and make it they collect small thing. Mind you, then get their own coin where they call them CPB. So 100 CPB now 1 USDT according to waiting I see for the platform. Then talk say 100 CPB say now 1 USDT. Now waiting I see for the platform now be that for this particular platform. Then talk say you need to put small thing, you understand, before you go start to dey collect for the platform. Now waiting then talk be that, and then get USDT will be crypto, and then get naira. So if you from Nigeria, then talk say you go feed use their platform locally, but if you're from any part of the world, because crypto is global, let us say if you use USDT, you understand, make it they collect small thing for the update. So then get those options, and then get their weekly event here where then talk say you feel they use this weekly event, they gather some CPB, some of their weekly event, then talk say make it they invite, then talk say make it they trade, and so on and so forth. Another thing be say I've been go check out this particular platform from for Trustpilot. So I go Trustpilot, go check this platform. I can't see say they never rate the platform yet for Trustpilot, so they never rate them yet. So there are no ratings here on Trustpilot about the platform. So another thing I just say okay, make you know be that. Another thing about the platform be say they get their signal group for Telegram where they talk say if they collect signals, trading signals from that their Telegram channel, make use and they trade and make it they collect. Now waiting then talk with that. But so far, based on their trading, make we talk about their trading because I don't use trade. In fact, I don't already do I don't do full coverage about this particular platform in there for my student account. No be tutorial be this now review account you can do, but I don't do the full coverage about the platform in there my student account. Or if you check my Facebook page, if you want to check my student account, check cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. You go see them for my screen. If you just go to my homepage there, if you follow my page there, just follow me. Then if you just scroll down, you go see the coverage, the full coverage where I do keep the be tutorial anyhow I want column, make a column where I talk about the platform and step by step, you understand. But now review where you can do, just check my student account. If you see my tutorials them, you understand. And if you want trades, then get different trading options. If you check that my tutorial, or if you check that my coverage for my student account, you go see everything there. I don't do everything, keep the share, but I just want give on some highlight. Now just waiting Coinpace they all about be that. Then talk say if you they trade, they invite your friends, they do some other weekly events, make you they collect. Now waiting then talk be that. I don't use the platform, I don't collect small thing, I be don't collect small thing. In fact, yesterday I collect small thing from this update. I feel drop them if these people go allow, go drop them for my screen show and I say I've been calling some more thing yesterday for this particular update. So it should say the update still active. But make we talk about the pros and the cons we dey for this particular platform. Number one pro what I like about the platform be say if you calm down understand it is very simple to understand, it is very simple to navigate, and number one pro be that. The next pro be say then get option where then get naira option and USDT option. So it means say even if you know from Nigeria, if you use if you from Nigeria too, if you still use locally, because I know say most of them they like local, all those kind local stuff when I understand. So then get local option, then get global option. I would say I like about the platform be that. And another thing I like about the platform be say their Telegram channel, if you give you signal, their signal they accurate for like 5-6 stages. They accurate 4 stage safe. They accurate. I don't do the tutorial, so I would say I like about them is that. And another thing I like about them now their weekly activities, their weekly event. Some things I don't like about them be say number one, this their weekly event. If you can't complete them, they no go reward you with USDT. Now their own coin when they go use reward you. Now waiting I don't like be that. Secondly, too, their referral program or their affiliate program, whatever. If you complete them, they no go reward you with USDT. Now their point or now their coin where they go use reward you. If they feel work on this thing, for they happy where. Next thing I don't like be say for their Telegram channel, their signal group, it they confusing. And the reason why I say they confusing because they mix 5-minute signal group and 1-minute signal group together. So it is confusing. So if they get separate 1-minute signal group and 5-minute signal group separately, if it makes sense, because now if you go there and you be new person, you no go know whether na 5 minutes or be na 1 minute, except say you calm down or look study them. Because some people don't do this mistake and they don't lose where you understand. So all those kind of things like that. So now waiting I know like on another thing way I know like about the platform 9 be that you understand. But apart from that, and they get small things where they need to work on too. But apart from that, the updates makes more sense. The update won't go there like coin rest for most of them always sabi coin rest, you understand. And I beg if you never check out the tutorial, make you know try this kind of platform. Any platform where they like this, if you never check out their tutorial, make you know ever try them, because something never do you. So that's what this update is. So tell me what you think about the update for comment section. If I want rate this update from 1 to 10, I feel give them around 7/10. Now my personal ratings be that, and my pros and the cons be that. I don't know about you, so tell me the things we like about this platform with the things we don't like about this platform. If you complain, a lot of complain, if you carry their complaint, go submit, give their customer service, and if you do some changes for the platform. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.